My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called Baro. Baro is a special extension that is promoted through misleading pop-ups that claim to be some Chrome update alerts, but this is a fake alert, and if people mistakenly interact with them, if they install any of such fake updates, they are actually installing this Baro extension, which operates as a browser hijacker. It actually changes the default search engine of your Google Chrome. So when you submit some search queries, you may notice that the results would be eventually delivered by some other fake search engine. So this is all because of this unwanted extension called Baro added to your Google Chrome. You should remove it by accessing the menu More Tools, Extensions. So when you find this extension called Baro, disable and remove it completely. This should fix the browser very well, but I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and start thoroughly investigating your system in order to detect and eliminate all other infections which could possibly still remain on the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.